Welcome to Breakaway Chiropractic, where we help you on your journey to higher health. Hey guys, what's going on? Dr. Hash with Breakaway Chiropractic. Today we are here with Dina. She's been coming in for a couple months. She was a post-accident a few months ago, but now kind of graduated to wellness care, helping out with her hips and low back, which she's had issues with. Kind of talk about your hips and your low back. Your SI joint was bothering you a few weeks ago, right?
Yes, and he helped a lot with that. I think a lot of my pain for that past week was what was it called? The bottom part?
The SI joint?
Yes, SI joint. You know me. He knows the stuff, not me. And when he did that adjustment, the rest of the week, it was like the least amount of pain I've ever felt. Yeah. If you're thinking about coming somewhere.
Oh, awesome. But yeah, she stands up a lot, running around with food and delivering stuff, and she's on her feet all the time. So low back, hips are a big thing for her. We're gonna get her adjusted. We're gonna continue on with her wellness care. So let's get going. Let's go face down for me. Let's do it. Slide down toward your feet just a little bit. Perfect. All right. You guys been staying pretty busy?
Yes.
Yeah. Drop those arms.
A lot of festivals this year.
Oh yeah? Deep breath in. Exhale. Relax. Drop both of those arms to the floor. There you go. Awesome. Deep breath in. Exhale. All the way out. Molly.
I know.
Deep breath in. Hold your breath. Good. I know you've also been dealing with a lot of anxiety and things like that too, so I know this has helped a ton.
Yes, this just in general coming here, I think it releases all of the tension that I carry in a day.
Love it. Well, the first time you came here, we could barely lay face down.
Yeah, it was actually quite bad. I had really, really bad anxiety originally, but I feel like with this, it helps so much more than people think. Like it's definitely something people should do if they have high anxiety.
Awesome. Deep breath in. Exhale. Let that shoulder relax. Good. You're like this arm right here. Deep breath in. Exhale. Holy moly. Alright, we're gonna lay on this right side. Face me over here. This is one. Straighten this one. Press the knee, just like this. Bring that hand back. Good. Other side for me. One more for me right there. Good. I'll be back for me. There you go. Okay, slide down toward your feet. Give yourself a big hug. Roll. Exhale. Let that shoulder drop for me. And flip those arms for me.
Like that.
Right here. Exhale. All the way out. Good. Let's get you stretched out. We're gonna go one right here and one right here. Let that hip drop. Kick into me, push, 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 and let it go. Good. Push up to the ceiling, and relax. Still working out a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's kind of what you heard the pop.
There you go. Push into me, push, 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 and let it go.
Actually quite sore where you're.
Right where I'm pushing?
Yeah.
Did you just do legs?
Yes.
Sweet. It's a good stretch. Push into me. And let it go. Awesome. We'll come across right here. Good. Push into me. And let it go. Good. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Turn this way. I'm gonna get these wrists real quick. Relax and shoulder for me.
are gonna feel amazing after this. Never had a problem.
There we go. Alright, shake it out. There you go. Alright. Stand that, move that around. See how that feels.
Alright.
A lot better.
Yes.
Good. Alright guys, well thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time for the next one. Take care.